Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Dino Melaye denies buying Lambogini for his daughter. Details in a bit. Senator Dino Melaye has debunked the widespread report that he bought his daughter a Lamborghini to celebrate her 11th birthday. The now debunked news was circulated after an Instagram account with the name Mary Melaye shared a picture of a young girl posed in the front of a Lamborghini and wrote, "Thanks, Dad." Mary Melaye also reposted a post from her aunt, who also mentioned if she had started driving a car. The aunt wrote, "I watched you grow, carried you on my back when you cry. I'm so happy for the woman you're turning into. You shall be greater than your dad, and I hope you started driving your ride," her auntie says. However, Dino Melaye confirmed that he has no daughter called Mary. The former Kogi lawmaker added that the Instagram account with the name Mary Melaye is a fake account. He shared on Twitter, "I have no daughter called Mary," and the Instagram account with the name Mary Melaye is fake. How can any responsible father buy even a Kia Rio for a child at 11? Dino matter the sweet unaltulai sha. On Facebook, Dino Melaye wrote, "Fake account, I did not buy any car for my daughter." Well, Nigerians have reacted to this differently, as Ibrahim Yusuf on Twitter says, "How is it irresponsible to buy a car for one's 11-year-old child?" Teresa A11 says, "So the 11-year-old have driver's license?" Binta_main says, "It is well, sir. That's what you get when God's goodness is too evident and that it can't be denied. Happy birthday to your daughter once again." Boomerang says, "Despite your controversial and flamboyant lifestyle, coupled with being a single parent with busy business and political shadows, you have managed to keep your kids grounded. Kudos to you, sir." Dr. Kunle Aladetuyi says, "It is nice you cleared the air, and everyone now knows it's one unscrupulous element that's behind it. The person may even be a guy, not be only Mary, now matter." Uzomaka Mary says, "Okay, me be the reason say life no balance as I dey hustle for small house rent. 11 years they get car, wey fit buy my 2 duplexes. Your name they make headline no be their fault." Guys, what do you think about it? Is it really responsible to buy a car for an 11-year-old? Let's know what you think in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live.